Hey there guys, just a little preview of the 1990 Mustang 5.0 drag car from Revell that I'm working on. That was in my last video. So this is a preview of the color that I have chosen to paint it. It is Rust-Oleum Magenta. It's pretty sweet looking. So this bad boy's got to get buffed out a bit, and I think it needs another coat of paint on it. Paint's not really too even. But get it buffed out, get it ready to roll. Should be okay. Haven't done a lot on the body or the engine yet. Just haven't had the time to do it, but I've had a couple sprays on the body. But yeah, just wanted to update you guys where I'm at and the very cool color that I chose for it. So once I get it all shined up and another coat of paint on it, I don't know if I'm going to use the decals that came on the car with that black and silver striping. I don't know if I'm going to use that yet, but we'll see later on. If you guys have a preference, let me know. Alright, that's a short video. That's all I got. So, hey, always appreciate you guys. I said it every time, and I mean it every time. So, appreciate you guys. Appreciate my subscribers. Appreciate new subscribers. So, hey, I'll talk to you guys later. Hope you're all having a good one.